Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namah. 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 Shri Sai Nathaya Namah. Om Sai Ram to all. Can we start?
Yes.
Okay. Now, till last session we have completed Sainath Stavan Manjari till stanza 55. We are starting today from stanza number 56. हे साईनाथ सद्गुरु तूच माझा कल्पतरू भवाब्दीचे भव्य तारू तूच अससी निश्चये. O Lord Sainath, you are the only one who is my kalpataru. Now kalpataru is what? A holy tree, a very precious holy tree, which gives you whatever you want and whatever you thought of. Kalpataru. Whatever you imagine, and that kalpataru means that holy tree, precious tree, which gives you everything, whatever you want. So, like, O Lord Sainath, you are my kalpataru. You are my tree which gives you whatever you thought of or you are imagining it. Hava dije bhavyataru. Bhavabdi. Bhava, this materialistic world where we are living in, and we are, whatever we are suffering, or we are bhog or upabhog, whatever life, kind of life, type of life which are living in, one has to pass through it. Whether you wish or you don't wish, you have to go through that whole process of papa, punya, or karma, akarma, whatever it is. What kind of life is allotted to you in this during lifetime, you got to live it, whether you wish or whether you don't wish. That is a materialistic world, physical world where we are living in. And what you are, O Lord Sainath? You are the big ship, Bhavya Taru. Taru is a nauka. Nauka is a ship. From this Abdi is a ocean. ये भवरूपी सागर में से इस materialistic world is named as an ocean. From this ocean, if I have to pass through, you are my ship, a very big ship, which I really know that your blessings, with your support, I can easily pass this ocean, so that I will get finally, what is the destination? Is Mukti. Bhavabdiche Bhavya Taru. Taru is a ship. Bhavya, a very big. Abdi, ocean. Bhava, this word, a living word, where we are all passing our life. Now, here, just ask the question to yourself, is life worth living? Do you have any choice out of it? No. Life is not worth living. It doesn't mean that you should commit suicide. No. You live the life peacefully, happily, the style of, the method of, or the whatever the type of life it has come to you, the destiny has brought to you, or destiny has decided you to live. You should know that it is not worth living, but there is no choice then other than living also. So you live it. Live it with the happiness. Live it with the utmost satisfaction. Oh God, this is this kind of life, this type of life, whatever my sufferings or my whatever my good days or all these things, these are due to my destiny. This is my prarabdha, and I have to live it within it. There is no choice, because this is what I have chosen because of my misdeeds or wrong deeds or all sins, and I am suffering for it. Okay, so bhavabdiche bhavyataru, very very nice. What you call upama has given. Das Guru has applied to tu kamadhenu chintamani, tu jnananapisa vasaramani, तू सद्गुणांची भव्य खानी अथवा सोपान सर्गीचा सोपान. Now there are two: निवृत्ती ज्ञानदेव, सोपान मुक्ताबाई. Sopan Sant sopan, but sopan means a step, a stepping stone. So what Das Guru said here, tu kamadhenu, dhenu is cow. Again, a holy precious cow which fulfills all your what you call vishesh, kamadhenu, which gives you everything, like kalpataru, like chintamani. And now chintamani is again with another word. Whatever you thought of, whatever the wishes comes in your mind, that is being fulfilled by precious stone called chintamani, or kamadhenu means a holy cow, heavenly cow. Tu jnana nabhisa vasaramani. Vasaramani is what? Surya Dev, sun. Jnana rupi, knowledge, wisdom. Wisdom का सूर्य, सूरज, wisdom का sun आप है सदगुरु साईनाथ. तू सद्गुणांची भव्य खानी. Khani is again what? Mines. Oh, huge, huge mines. Mines of what? Mines of gold, mines of silver, mines of steel or no? No. Sadguna. You are whatever the best characteristics, whatever the best boon which you have, you are the ocean of it. You are the huge stock of it. You are all these things are fulfilled in you. Now, Lord Sai was having his Aishwarya Gun. Now, that Aishwarya Gun is only godly figure or God possess it. Which are those 6 gun? Aishwarya Gun, Yasha, Sri, Audarya, Shraddha, Titiksha, Samadhan. These are the 6. Okay, we'll go into details afterwards. He punyavanta parama, athva sopana swargita. What you are the stepping stone, heading ourselves or leading ourselves to going towards the heaven. Athva sopana swargita. He punyavanta parama pavana, stanza 58. He shanti murti anandaghana, he chit sarupa paripurna, he bhedarahita jnana sindho. Jnana Sindho. Sindhu is again ocean. Ocean of what? Ocean of knowledge, ocean of spirit, spirituality, or ocean of wisdom. Jnana Sindhu. He punyavanta parama pavana. Parama, pavan. Pavan means a pure. Param, higher state of purity, higher state of sanctity. And punyavanta, you are the huge, whole, you can say, worldly stock of good deeds. Punya is good deeds. And Shanti Murti, you are just a idol of Shanti, Prashanti. Ananda Ghana. Ghana is what? Ghana is again clouds. Clouds of what? Clouds of pleasure, joy, ananda. Ananda ghana. Ghana is what? Cloud. Ananda रूपी water carry करने वाले आप कौन हो साई? Clouds हो. हे चित स्वरूपा. ये जो वर्ल्ड में जितना भी चैतन्य दिखता है, जितना भी लाइफ दिखता है, जितना लिविंग थिंग दिखता है, you are the स्वरूप of it. चित स्वरूप, चैतन्य स्वरूप. And Chaitanya is what? It's God. God only lives in our body, in our heart, in our antakara. That is why we are living. Just take the soul out of it. What? Your dead body. And you are paripurna. Paripurna means what? A complete, perfect, a perfect personality. Paripurna. You don't have any lacunas. You don't have any shortcomings out of it. Hey, Bhedarahita. This is a very good word. Hey, Bhedarahita. You don't have any small instinct of differentiating between what you call rich, poor, downtrodden, or who is doing well, or Uchiri in India, you got Uchi Jati, Nichi Jati, people from caste, creed. You are away from all this differentiate, people who differentiate, etc. Such differentiation is not existing in your Bhedarahita. You don't have any small, what you call, bhavana, or small thought of doing differentiating between one and another. So, he punyavanta, parama pavana, he shanti murti, ananda ghana, chit sarupa, paripurna, bhedarahita, jnana sindho, all these are what? ए भगवान का, साईं बाबा का जो गुणगान गाते हैं, इनको दिया हुआ ये कैसे पदवी है, उपाधि है. उनको उनके प्रति आदर भाव व्यक्त करने का ऑल दिस डिग्रीज है. ज्ञान सिंधु, भेदरहिता, आनंद घना, परिपूर्णा, all these are names given by, and this has got very high literature meaning in Marathi. You can, those people who knows Marathi, they will really enjoy the sequence, the writing of Das Ganu Maharaj. Another one, He Vijnana Murti. Now here, he's not, Das Ganu Maharaj is not talking about the Jnana, he's talking about Vijnana. What is the difference between Jnana and Vijnana? Where Jnana is, the limitations or boundaries of Jnana is finishing, the Vijnana starts. Vijnana, somewhere you have to identify, you have to invent it. Those invention, Vijnana has got one peculiarity and characteristics, you have to invent it. You have to go deeper to get the meaning of it. And that is why it is called Vijnana, science. Jnana is what? Jnana is knowledge. You get it. Vijnana is somewhere you have to go into deep. And this happens only when you are establishing dialogue within you, with your internal conversation. A step of Vijnana starts after the gaining adequate knowledge. Then only it starts. Basic knowledge is Jnana, and further extended knowledge is Vijnana. He Vijnana Murti Narottama. Uttam is best out of best. So Nara Uttama, Nara Deha mein aaye hue Bhagwan Sai, you are the supreme of the best. He Shama Shanti Cha Nivasa Dhama. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। क्षमा शांति का जो निवास है, निवास मीन्स होम, मंदिर, निवास धाम, धाम इज व्हाट अगेन, वेयर द परमानेंट शांति एंड क्षमा इज परमानेंटली स्टेइंग देयर। ऐसा बहुत बड़ा धाम वो आप है सदगुरु साईनाथ के भक्त जनांचा विश्राम। While living in this materialistic world and wandering here and there, according to the destiny, you are the final place. What? To भक्त जनों को विश्राम देने के लिए। You are the final destination. You are the goal. अपने सब साई डिवोटी के लिए you go to द्वारका में, you go to समाधि मंदिर, or you go just thought of Sai Nath, or you just go to any, just sit in front of idol, Sai's idol, or Sai's frame, or Sai's pratima. What happens? You get utmost inner satisfaction, utmost inner fulfillness और completeness, समाधान मिलता है, joy मिलता है, आनंद मिलता है. So you are the final destination of all your devotees to get what? Vishram. Vishram is what again? Relaxation, rest. Okay. Prasiddha, Prasiddha Madha Prati. Now Prasiddha is what? Please bestow your love on me. Prasiddha, Prasiddha, you shower your love on me and give me a small place near your lotus holy feet. तूच सद्गुरु मच्छिंदर, तूच महात्मा जालंधर, तू निवृत्ति नाथ ज्ञानेश्वर कबीर शेख नाथ तू. Now all these, whatever the names came here in this stanza, stanza number 60, are the very big personality in a path of spirituality who attained almost godly figure. Is Machindranath. Some of you, if you have heard about Navnath, yeah, you must have heard, because those Nava, जो अंतरिक्ष कवि भर्तुहरि etc., those people, they again came as a reincarnation, carnation of in form of Nath. Machindranath is one of them. वो नव कवि है ना, वो अभी बहुत डिटेल में है. वो 9 वो कवि अगेन उन्होंने जन्म लिया है नवनाथ के स्वरूप में. एंड दे वर लिविंग नाथ धर्म संप्रदाय जो स्टार्ट हो गया वो इन नवनाथ की वजह से. और उसमें से कौन कौन है? मच्छिंदर, जालिंदर, निवृत्तिनाथ. These are all from Nath Sampradaya people. They are Navnath, and they have got their own style. They have got their own path of reaching towards God. Take the sannyas, worship, dhyan, not living in materialistic world. Okay, but and who is there? Nivruttinath. Nivruttinath again a elder brother of Sant Jnaneshwar, who is a Vishnu Swarup again. Those people, even Baba Baba wanted everybody to read Jnaneshwari. In Sai Satcharita also it is written. Those people who want to know more about spirituality, about wisdom, about God, they should go into big book. Which big book? Jnaneshwari. Baba was having very great respect to the Tukaram Gatha and Jnaneshwari. Baba was calling big book, badi kitab bolte the. Like what you call all the other holy books. I should not mention. Don't want to create any contradiction. But Jnaneshwar Maharaj ने लिखा हुआ भावार्थ दीपिका ग्रंथ, again I appeal to everybody, 90% of the Sai Satcharit is derived from Jnaneshwari. I am not exaggerating fact. If you want to go into deeper and deeper and deeper in the path of spirituality, what you should do is, and this is not my wish or something, my request or this one appeal, but Baba has directed everybody. If through Sai Satcharit, please go and go get a more elaborated, illustrated knowledge from Jnaneshwari. So, what Baba says, Tu Nivritti Nath Jnaneshwara, and you are only Kabir. And now see the life of Kabir and life of Baba. Lot of similarity. And Baba used to say, in one life, I came on this earth as a Kabir. Sheikh Nathatu. Sheikh is again one saint who is just 25 to about 30-40 kilometers from my place, from where I am speaking now. It is near Muhammad Sheikh. He was a very big saint, and he was worshipping to the Pandarinath Maharaj, Sheikh Muhammad, whose tomb is there in Srigonda, which is really 30-40 kilometers from where I am speaking to you people now. And who are Sheikh Nathatu. Nath is again Nath Maharaj. All these Swarupas of yours only, Lord Sai. Tucha Bodhala Savata, 61. Tucha Bodhala Savata, Tucha Ramadas Tatvata, Tucha Tukaram Sainatha, Tucha Sakha Manika Prabhu. Now what is it? Oh Sai, you are the only Bodhala, now Bodhle Maharaj, Bodhala Maharaj. It is again a very big saint, a parallel time who has taken the birth in a parallel to Sainath. Sant Bodla Maharaj, Sauta Maharaj. Sauta Maharaj is again a great devotee of Lord Pandarinath. Ramadas, everybody knows about Sant Ramdas. Tucha Tukaram. You are the Sainath, Lord Sai, you are only a Tukaram also. And Tucha Sakha, Sakharam, again Sakha, here the Sakha means a friend, intimate. But Sakharam नाम के एक बहुत बड़े संत भी हो गए महाराष्ट्र में. Rajganu has written his bibliography or biography. And Manik Prabhu, nobody who knows, everybody knows about Manik Prabhu, because Baba appeared in his darbar near Humnabad. He has appeared. That is a separate story again. Baba went in a Bal Fakir, in a Swarupa of Bal Fakir. When Baba first time came to the Shirdi and he disappeared for nearly 4 years. The history again, it is different. Nearly 16 years, I will say. That 16 years time, he was wandering around Nizam state or Bidar or Karnataka or Humnabad. That time there is a कहानी है, कथा है कि बाबा appeared in Sardar, was a warrior leader, Sardar of Manik Prabhu, was also sent. His samadhi is there in Karnataka, in Humnabad. So, Lord Sai, you are only Manik Prabhu for us. You are only Ramdas for us. You are also Sauta Maharaj for us. You are also Bodle Maharaj for us. You are also Sakha Maharaj for us. You are also Tukaram Maharaj for us. Okay? Ya Apulya Avtarachi. Now, see the Das Guru Maharaj, what he is telling about this, all these saint. Saint is all again, he says, the carnation of you. Ya Apulya Avtarachi, Pari Ahi Agamya Sachi. Now, आपका जो carnation है, आपने जो अवतार लिया है, परि आहे अगम्य साची, आपका जो अभी का अवतार, ये तो सब आपके स्वरूप है, ये संत स्वरूप, भगवान वगैरह सब जो नवनाथ वगैरह, ये तो आप ही के स्वरूप है. लेकिन आपका अभी का जो अवतार है ना, it has got what? अगम्य, not to understand very easily. You cannot be understood. Your this reincarnation cannot be understood very easily. ओळख आपुल्या जातीची होऊ न देता कवनाते. What is your religion? What is your caste? What is your creed? What from you come? What are the your origin? Nobody knows. This all good रखा आपने, secret रखा आपने. ये जो good बोला है, I don't know why you choose for it, Lord Sai, but that makes you different from others. And that is why साई सच्चरित में उनका जो वो होली बुक का हीरो है, उसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं है. कौन सा, क्या बाप का, माँ का नाम, क्या बाप का नाम, उधर से आया, क्या आया, who is your father, who is your mother, what, where you, how you are born and brought up, how you are, what is your guru, what is your janma, what is your putra, what is your kundali, nothing is written in Sai Satcharit. What? And that makes you different from others. Stanza 63. कोणी आपणा म्हणती यवन, कोणी म्हणती ब्राह्मण, ऐसी कृष्णा समान लीला आपण मांडली. सी हाउ द्वापर युग में जो कृष्ण भगवान का हो गया ना, अवतार हो गया ना, उस समान आपको कोई वैसे लीला है, गूढ़ है. भगवान श्री कृष्ण का लय भी कैसा है? फुल ऑफ सीक्रेसी, full of adventures, full of everything. What for he has come? Even Mata Yashoda also was stunned. ये क्या है, कैसे हो रहा है ये सब कुछ? Nobody could understand Lord Krishna. ये महाभारत बनाने के लिए आया ना. Everybody was looking from his perception to Lord Krishna. That way also, Sai. Some people says he is from Muslim. Some says he is from Brahmin. Some says he is a Auliya. Some says he is a Jindevali. Some says he is a holy saint. Some says he is a carnation of God. Nobody knows about him. Sri Krishna Pahuna. How he has compared Lord Sai with Sri Krishna? That is coming into another stanza. That is stanza 64. Sri Krishna Pahuna Nana Prakare Vadale Jana. Koni Manale Yadu Bhashana. Koni Manale Gurake. Now, how people have named Lord Krishna? Shepherd. भेड़ बकरियां चराने वाला, जानवर चराने वाला, गुराखी बोलते हैं उसको. वो कोई बोले अरे यदु कुल का ये तो स्टार है, यदु कुल का भगवान है, यदु कुल का भूषण है, ये प्राउड पर्सनालिटी है न. अलग अलग लोगों ने नाम दिया. कोई उसको काला बोला, कोई बोला माखन चोर बोला, कोई बोला ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बोला, कोई बोला किंग बोला, कोई बोला कुछ नाम दिया उनको. यशोदा ने क्या बोला? अरे मेरा नन्हा सा सुकुमार, मेरा छोटा सा बच्चा है, बाल है. कंस ने क्या बोला? अरे ये तो मेरा महाकाल है, साक्षात मेरा मृत्यु है. उद्धव is again a minister of one of the minister or a great follower to whom Lord Krishna has uttered Uddhava Gita. Like अर्जुना के लिए भगवद गीता लिखा, वैसा राज्य कारभार का जितना भी नॉलेज है वो उद्धव को दिया था. उद्धव वाज ए मंत्री, मिनिस्टर ऑफ लॉर्ड श्री कृष्णा रिजीम. एंड उद्धव को क्या लगता था? वो बहुत दयालु और बहुत प्रेमालु, हम प्रेम व्हाट यू कॉल, फुल ऑफ लव, और दयालु हमारा राजा है. करुणा, पैशन सब देते हैं ना, वो हमारे श्री कृष्ण भगवान देते हैं. और वही अर्जुन के लिए लगा, अरे बाप रे, ज्ञान जेठी, ज्ञान का उगम, ज्ञान का ओरिजिन जिधर से हुआ वो लॉर्ड श्री कृष्ण है. तो एवरीबडी हैज सीन श्री कृष्ण और डिफाइंड श्री कृष्ण फ्रॉम देयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, फ्रॉम देयर एंगल ऑफ व्यू. ओके. Shall I go ahead? तैसे गुरुवरा आपनासी, जे ज्याचा मानसी, योग्य वाटेल निश्चयसी, हे ते तुम्हा म्हणतसे. Stanza 66. Like Krishna, Lord Sri Krishna, everybody defined him, everybody named him their own way. Likewise only, O Lord Sainath, O Guruvar Sainath, O Jest Sadguru Sainath, उनके हर एक आपके डिवोटी में जो भी बात उनके दिल में आई, वॉट एवर इट हैज कम इनटू देयर माइंड, मानसी मीन्स इन माइंड, उनको जो ठीक लगा, वॉट एवर दे फील सुटेबल टू कॉल यू और टू गिव। कोई बोला आपको मदर्स आई है, कोई बोले बाबा, कोई आपको ब्रदर भी बोला है, कोई आपको बेटा बोला है। एवरीबडी नेम्ड यू अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्रॉम विच एंगल और फ्रॉम विच स्टेटस दे सॉ यू। बट उन्होंने हर एक ने जो जो नाम आपको रखा है ना, वो सब आप है साई। यू आर ए, whatever the views, whatever the angles, whatever the position they are looked at you, you have got all those qualities in you. मशीद 67 स्टँजा, मशीद आपले वसती स्थान, विंधा वाचून असती कान, फात्याच्या तरा पाहून यवन म्हणने भागत तुम्हा। नाउ आपको अगर हिंदू बोले, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम हिंदू रिलीजन, so where you are staying? You are staying in a masjid. Masjid apole vasti sthana. Your living place is what? Masjid. Vinda vachun asti kana. Vinda means whole. All Hindus, there is a tradition when it's taking birth, their holes are pierced here. These holes are pierced. That hole is there. Especially nowadays it is not there, but ladies still they continue this to wear the ornament. Okay. So Vindha Vachun Asti Kana. So God sai, your this ear, they were not pierced. So it was not pierced. So it means you may be categorized as not Hindu. Now there is a dispute in this particular stanza because other people who are very close, they have seen from 1 feet to Baba. They says no, Baba was having ears with piercing hole. But Dasguru Maharaj, they think it was not there. So, but all in literature, a parallel literature, it is said that Baba was having ear with pierced hole. Dasguru Maharaj is telling, no, it was not there. It's a matter of dispute. Again, it is what you call controversy created by Lord Sai himself to not to identify his origin. फात्याच्या तरा पाहून, and now फात्या पढ़ना. फात्या is one custom, ritual. Like our वर्ष श्राद्ध करते हैं ना हिंदू लोग, अपने पूर्वजों के बारे में उनको कुछ खाना बिना ऑफर करते हैं, ये करते हैं. Like in इस्लाम फात्या पढ़ते हैं. इन साल में कुरान शरीफ के कुछ अच्छे अपने आयात या सूरे पढ़ते हैं, कलमे पढ़ते हैं, और उनको खाना ऑफर करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड फातिहा पढ़ना. जो होली वर्ड्स फ्रॉम कुरान जो है वो पढ़ाया जाता है, एंड उनको जो खाना ऑफर अपने एंसेस्टर्स को दिया जाता है, वो क्या है? दैट इज कॉल्ड फातिहा. ना बाबा यूज्ड टू डू इट इज फात्याच्या तरा पाहून यमन म्हणने भागतुमा. अगर आपका ये डीड्स देखा तो आपको निश्चय सबको डेफिनेटली लगेगा कि आप कौन है, मुस्लिम है. बट आप दूसरा देखिए अभी 68 स्टैंजा. बट आई विल नॉट डेयर टू से दिस बिकॉज तैसे अग्नीची उपासना पाहुनी आपुली दया घना निश्चय होता मुचा मना की आपण हिंदू म्हणून. Now Islam religion doesn't allow Pancha Mahabhuta to be get worshipped. In Masjid you will not see any Agni, है ना. इधर तो माई धुनी माई तो 24 घंटा चलती है, किसमें? मस्जिद माई में. तो क्या बोलेंगे आपको? Will you be called Yaman then? No, because a great worshipper, you can say a great admirer, because in Dwarka Mai, नाइट एंड डे आपका तो अग्नि का प्रज्वलन होता है उधर, अग्नि जलते रहता है उधर। तो उसके लिए आपको हिंदू भी हो भैया, अपने मुस्लिम भी नहीं कह सकते। सो वी आर कंपेल्ड टू कॉल यू एज ए हिंदू देन। ओके, बट अगेन 69 स्टैंडर्ड 69, परी भेद हे व्यावहारिक, याते चाहतील तार्किक, परी जिज्ञासु भाविक, यान वाटे महत्व त्याचे. But Lord Sai, all this differentiation is from where? From ordinary comparison. Whether you are Hindu or whether you are Muslim, etc. These are all a basic thoughts or basic bhavana from a common devotees, common followers or common people who knows you. याते चाहतील तार्किक, नो दिस, ये किसको पसंद आएगा ये डिफरेंशिएशन करना? Those people who wants to just argue, who wants to put just a logic, तार्किक लोग, तर्क संगत करने हो, तर्क बोले तो जस्ट अपने लॉजिक के लेवल पर का लॉजिक को फॉलो करने वाले. बट फॉर योर डिवोटीज, those who wants to know more about you, ऐसे जो श्रद्धालु लोग हैं, जो जिनकी आपके ऊपर श्रद्धा है, they people they don't want to differentiate this one. ये उनको वो importance भी नहीं देते, उनको कदर भी नहीं करते. They neglect this. Whether you are Hindu or whether you are Muslim, we have got nothing to do with it, Lord Sai. For us, you are Sai, साक्षात ईश्वर हो. स आई, मदर के जैसे हो. स आई, साई, आप हमारी मदर हो. हमको बस इतना बहुत हो गया. We don't want to go into details from where from which religion you are, from which caste you are, which creed you are. We have nothing to do with you, Sai. We only know that you are our mother, you are our father, you are our Baba, you are our Lord, and you are our ultimate savior. You are everything for us. Whatever differentiation these people, the ordinary people, they are doing, let them do it. We are not bothered about it. आपुली आहे ब्राह्म्य स्थिति, 70 नंबर. जात गोतना अपना प्रति, आपण अवघ्यांचे गुरुमूर्ती, आहा आद्य कारण. ब्यूटीफुल. आप कौन है? ब्राह्म्य स्थिति में हो. वही स्थिति में है, जीवन मुक्त अवस्था में हो. A level higher spiritual level of spirituality where all these depression are there. You are the personality of which lives in Brahma Jnana. Brahma Sthiti means where above all of this universe, above all of this materialistic world, who is a origin, a flow, a river, unstoppable flow of what? Brahma Gyan. And how you are living? Jivan Mukta Avastha. One peculiar thing about Lord Sai is written by Arthur Osborne, I will tell you. You just read that book. It's written somewhere in 1954, 1955. He has started very dramatically. He says, I don't consider him as a saint. Arthur Osborne says, and then he says, because I consider him as a God incarnation. And he has differentiated Lord Sai from other saint. He says, when those other saint I have seen, he wandered in India in that last century, everywhere. He was in Raman Maharishi's ashram, in South, with Sai. He has seen lot of saint, Arthur Osborne. I think it is published by some Macmillan, I don't know. I have got that book. If somebody wants it or find it out, you will get it there. But it's a very beautiful book. In that book, about Sai Baba, this Arthur Osborne says, I have seen one particular peculiar difference between other saint and Sai. Sai was at the same time living in both the world. in this materialistic world as well as the higher state, other world, Iha and Paratra. Whether other people, when they were traveling to the Antariksha or in Avkash, they had to literally leave that body. And they were wondering, I'm coming back. But in case of Lord Sai, he was omnipresent. He was present in his human body also, and at the same time, he was having a dialect, or he was having a dialogue with that other word also, a spiritual word, heavenly word, a nagari of gods. He was having every, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं आज के डेट में इंटरनेट कंटिन्यू उनकी जो लाइन है ऑनलाइन चैटिंग में रहते थे भगवान के साथ में. This is what the author Osborne has said, and I really like that book. This is just apart from this, I have said it to you. यवन हिंदूचे विपट आले म्हणून तदैक्य करण्या भले मशीद अग्निला स्वीकारिले लीला भक्ता सदावावया. You have taken the avatar carnation on in such a peculiar period when human life was passing through dark hour of adversities. There was a big clashes on the basis of religion between Hindu and Muslim. That time you came to reunification, to make the reunification of these two religions. Oh, Baba, झगड़ो मत. आप जिसको राम बोलते वही रहीम है, आप जिसको ईश्वर बोलते वही अल्लाह है. Hindu, Muslims are, these religions are not created by God. अब हम सब एक ही परमेश्वर भगवान अल्लाह के बच्चे हैं. अल्लाह सबसे बड़ा है, उससे बढ़कर कोई नहीं है. तो आप उनको वो जो करो, ये जो ह्यूमन क्रिएटेड जो वाटर टाइट कंपार्टमेंट है वो मत फॉलो करो. एंड टू गिव दिस मैसेज योर कार्नेशन हैज कम. दैट इज व्हाई you were living in masjid and you were what you call worship, one kind of a worship to the Agni Narayan also in the form of dhuni. And you have shown unimaginable miracles to your devotees to show, अरे यार अपन फालतू का झगड़ा करते हैं, हिंदू मुस्लिम करते करते एक दूसरे के सर फोड़ते हैं, कम्युनल रियार्ट्स होते हैं, ये होते हैं. जरूरत नहीं है. Those people, they will follow Baba's ideology, बाबा का शिक्षा, बाबा की टीचिंग जो फॉलो करेंगे ना, they are above of all this religion. That is why my Lord Sai, our Lord Sai is a symbol of universe integration. Not I'm talking about national integration. It is a symbol of, is a representative of national integration. And I'll tell you, my Lord Sai, it's my belief, one day 3/4 of this world, they will start following the teaching of Sai Baba. They will come up of this small, silly, religious feelings, and there will be one religion, and that religion is religion of humanity, religion of Sai, and that Parivar will be called as a Sai Parivar, where all this differentiation, caste, creed, etc., nothing is going to be there. आपन जात गोतातीत सद्वस्तु जी का सत तीत तुम्ही साक्षात तर्कातीत साचकी. Lord Sai, you are the only ultimate truth, because you are above all these caste and creeds. You are above all these religions. You don't differentiate. Whatever the people they came to you, whatever the caste and creed and religion they belong, when they come first time to bow their heads under your lotus feet, they become what? Sai Bhakt, Sai devotee. And most of the people who are listening to me, to what you are called, Sai devotees. People look at you as a Sai Bhakt. And that is your religion. Yeah, that is the lifestyle which you have chosen from your Lord Sadguru. And that is why all these Sanatani people and all people, they are extremists. They are against of Sai Baba, and that is why they create a lot of other ecos and chavos, because their existence in doldrum. जिनके ऊपर रोजी रोटी चल रही ना उनकी, वो रोजी रोटी खतरे में है. That is why they call any bad, ugly things about Baba, because it's a matter of their existence now. उनका दुकानें बंद हो रही है इसीलिए. And that is the reason you don't get deviated from this talk and of you and Sai, we and Sai. बस मस्ती में जिएंगे, साई धर्म जिएंगे, साई परिवार, साई आइडियोलॉजी फॉलो करेंगे. What you are 100% ये तर्क के बाहर है. ये जो लोग आपके बारे में बोलते हैं ना, कोई बोलते है मुस्लिम है, कोई बोलता है हिंदू है, कोई एक बीच में वो साधु आया था, कुछ भी बात कर रहा था, वो कुछ एक स्वामी, वो कोई शंकराचार्य वगैरह. Leave it. All this is rubbish. You are the ultimate truth, as you are Bhagwan. You are what? Everything for us. तर्क वितर्कांचे घोडे 73. तर्क वितर्कांचे घोडे चालले किती अपना पुढे, तेथे माझे बापुडे शब्द टिकतील कोठोनी. ये जो आर्गुमेंट करते रहते हैं, एक्सचेंज ऑफ वर्ड्स करते रहते हैं, ऑल दिस लॉजिस्टिक्स, और ये विद्वान और ये पंडित और ये जो है, ये लोग फालतू का एक्सचेंज ऑफ वर्ड करते रहते हैं. नॉलेज दिखाते हैं, शाइनिंग करते हैं, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं. आपके सामने ये कुछ नहीं चलता, सब कुछ नहीं चलता. चालले किती अपना पुढे. Those people who were really making debate on bhakti or debate on religion or debate on teachings or etc. बाबा के सामने कुछ नहीं चलता था उनका. When he was in human body and even today. All this logic follow करने वाले, ये डिबेट करने वाले पीपल है ना, ये बाबा से 4 हाथ दूर रहते हैं. तेथे माझे बापुडे शब्द टिकतील कोठे. सर आपके सामने लॉर्ड ये सब नहीं चलता है, तो मेरा जो स्मॉल छोटे 2-4 वर्ड है, वेड़े वाकुडे, whatever the rough form you can say, yeah, this माझे शब्द बापुडे, यानी those PT 2 words, वो कहाँ से टिकने वाले साई. मैं आपको बोलते जा रहा हूँ, बट वो आप तो उससे भी आगे है. 2 स्टैंजा लेता हूँ आज. परिपाहुनी तुम्हाला मौन न ये धरिता मला, का की शब्द हेच स्तुतीला साहित्य आहे व्यवहारी. साई, whatever I am talking about you, whatever praising word I am uttering towards you, etc. I know these are very small, because your charitra, your personality cannot be grabbed, cannot be captured in any form of language, in any form of worldly literature. I know this, but I can't stop writing this, a praising word towards you, praising sentences towards you, because that is way of my expression. I know these are, I am not able to project, or I am not able to define, because I am not capable of projecting in a proper word. But still then I can't stop myself praising you on whatever the word, whatever the limited knowledge which I got. That is a greatness of Das Ganu actually. A last stanza of today's session is I am not able to stop it, because word is the basic of praising to you, and that is why this literature is. And this is only form I know to whom I can with you, whatever my feelings to you through this form of literature. Sai, please forgive me. म्हणून शब्दे करून जे जे होईल वर्णन, ते ते सर्वदा करीन आपल्या कृपा प्रसादे. That is why whatever the limited knowledge or limited stock of words which I have got, I will utilize that and I will narrate, I will praise you through this word. Oh, my wholeheartedly, from the bottom of my heart, मैं करूँगा. And that is also not without your blessings, because I know, Lord Sai, without your blessings, nothing can happen. I'll tell you, I have started reading, it's my personal experience I am telling you. I have started writing Lord Sai, Sai Sacharita again, my way, my own way. 6th chapter लिख के हो गया है, 7th chapter अभी चालू है. Last 4 महीने से कुछ नहीं लिख पाया है, because of this all coronas and this mask and getting busy with my personal work, etc. So that is Lord Sai's उनकी विश है. मुझे जब लिखना चालू करेंगे लिख दूंगा वो. If you want to get it fulfilled, it will be fulfilled. Today we'll stop here. Again, we'll meet in next Sunday. And I hope it's a good session which is going on. I am also getting, today I got little bit satisfaction, because somehow I think, I don't know what about you, proper meanings पहुंचा होगा. It's Sai's wish, नहीं पहुंचा होगा. Sai will give you more, what you call, more knowledge or more skill of communicating both. Like what you call, जो ये है ना, a great Sufi शायर, वो क्या बोलते हैं, या उनको दे जुबा या मुझ बयां, और मुझे बयां करने का और ताकत दे दो, और उनको पूछने के लिए बोलो कि क्या मेरे में कमी है. सो आई एम अपीलिंग यू, प्लीज कम ऑन. आपका जो वॉइस है वो ऑडियो स्टार्ट करो और आपके रिएक्शन दे दो. या उनको दे जुबा या मुझके बयां और मिर्जा गालिब का है. ओम साईराम, प्लीज कम अप. जय श्री.
Om Sai Ram. Pawar Kaka, I just had a few questions, and I wanted to say today the session was so beautiful. In between, when you were describing about Baba, I felt almost emotional. It was so beautiful.
Oh,
I had a question for maybe for everybody. You talked about the Satcharita being derived from the Jnaneshwari. Is there
yeah.
Is there an English version of the book that we can buy?
Yeah. Lord Jnaneshwari, Gita Praise Gorakhpur, they have got English version, and you can very well read it. It's a ocean of knowledge. Once you read Jnaneshwari, I can tell you, it's my claim. Once you read Jnaneshwari, you need not read anything, because that's the last what we can get it. A full of knowledge. ये विश्व की उत्पत्ति से, how it, I'll tell you a simple things I will tell you. पृथ्वी गोल है, it's a around like a ball, and सूरज के ये नो बाजू में सराउंडिंग वो घूमते रहती है. People says ये जो शोध है लॉर्ड कोपरनिकस ने लगाया 16th century ने, and because what you call Christianity, they were considering पृथ्वी ये क्या है, एक flat है, and that is why they really punished him for his invention. Now it is spread. Jnaneshwari is written in 13th century, and that is clearly it is written, भैया जैसे न चालता सूर्याचे चालने, वो चलता नहीं है, अपनी जगह पर ही है, लेकिन अपने को चलते हुए दिखता है. This science, Lord Jnaneshwar already, like that, so many Vijnanis there. जैसे न चालता सूर्याचे चालने, सूर्य चलता नहीं है भाई, ये हम पृथ्वी चलती है सूर्य के भीतर आजू बाजू में. ये लॉर्ड स्वरूप है ज्ञानेश्वर, उन्होंने ये 13th century में लिख के रखा है. So who invented it? Copernicus? No, it's Lord Jnaneshwar. Like that, so many shodh, you can, so many inventions, you will find it Jnaneshwari.
And
You read it.
okay, thank you, Pawar Kaka. And just one more question, if you don't mind.
Holkar, Hemadpant has got great impact of Bhagavad Gita and Dhaneshwari on him.
Okay.
He was a scholar of Dhaneshwari. He was scholar of Bhagavad Gita. That is why I will say, I am just claiming this, and you just nullify my word. My claim is Sai Satcharit is derived 90 to 95% from where? Dhaneshwari.
One more question, Pawar Kaka. You mentioned that Balak Fakir Baba went into the darbar of Manik Prabhu. Can you please, if you don't mind, can you explain what that is? Can you elaborate a little bit on it?
Do they have that much time? I can tell you.
I think we have a few. Yeah, we have a few minutes. I think so. It should be okay if you are okay with it.
Manik Prabhu was a very Sardar when he was there in Adil Shah's darbar, and he was the territory senapati, or what you call warrior, a leader of warrior. I don't know what it is, group captain, or you can say comrade, brigadier or something of those people. Nowadays, your brigadier or colonel or your troop manager, wo rehte the wo. And he was a very rich saint, Manik Prabhu. And उनके दरबार में कोई भी खाली हाथ नहीं जाता था. So that time, Lord Sai, in a Bal Fakir, he went to Baba Manik Prabhu's darbar. Manik Prabhu was almost, of course, he was not there. All his disciples and followers, they were there. And ये अपना ये जो भिक्षा पात्र है उनका, वो भिक्षा पात्र कोलंबा, वो ऐसा वो जो है ना फकीर के पास रहता है, वो ए भरो रे भाई, ये लोटा दिया और बोले ये भरो. Now what happened is, उनका एक रिचुअल था, एक कंसेप्ट था कि कोई भी बाबा के अपने मानिक प्रभु के दरबार से कोई भी खाली हाथ नहीं जाएगा. तो वो दे गेव सर्टेन थिंग्स टू हिम. इट वाज नॉट गेटिंग फुलफिल्ड. ए पूरा लोटा भर के दो. बाल फकीर स्टार्टेड सेइंग, दे poured everything there, then it was not getting fulfilled at all. वो फाइनली उन्होंने मैसेज भेजा मानिक प्रभु को, सर ऐसा कोई एक बाल फकीर आया है, उसको हम पूरा उसका लोटे में डाल रहे हैं, वो लोटा भर ही नहीं रहा है और कौन है मालूम नहीं है, प्लीज कम हियर. हमने जितना भी अवेलेबल था वो सब डाला है उसके अंदर, यू प्लीज कम. तो उन्होंने बोला मैं आ रहा हूँ, इट विल नॉट गेट फुलफिल्ड लाइक दैट. आई विल कम एंड आई विल जस्ट सी व्हाट आई कैन सी, व्हाट आई कैन डू. एंड देन ही केम. He take few flowers and batasha, what I say then sugar से को सफेद का कोई बतासे बोलते हैं उसको.
It's a sweet.
I don't know. बतासे. In India normally it is used for giving a sugar coated, that वो रहता है ना छोटा ऐसा पट्टी छोटा वो बतासे और कुछ ये दिया और कुछ खारीक डाल दिया उसके अंदर. अरे वो फुलफिल हो गया, फुलफिल होकर ऊपर गया. और फिर मानिक प्रभु बोले, साई इज इट ओके? तो बोले हाँ. उन्होंने सिर्फ वो 4 ले लिया, वो खारिक ले लिए, वो बतासे लिए, वो फ्लावर लिए और वो लोटा है ना, लोटा ऐसा उल्टा कर दिया. उल्टा करने के बाद जितना भी वो उनके डिसिपल्स ने फॉलोअर ने डाला था उसमें, वो सब नीचे हो गया. इतना बड़ा ढिगा ये लग गया उसका, एक्यूमुलेट हो गया उधर. इतना बड़ा लोग देखने लगे ये क्या मिरेकल है. तो बोले इज नॉट ए ऑर्डिनरी बाल फकीर, वो यू नो व्हाट इज साई, प्रे हिम. एंड मानिक प्रभु ने उनको पहचाना, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट द ऑर्डिनरी पर्सनालिटी, ही इज ए व्हाट साई सेंट, दे नो ईच अदर. उन्होंने फिर उनको बोला, उनका आदरातिथ्य किया, सत्कार किया. बाबा ने उतना ही लिया और निकल गए वहां से. दिस इज द स्टोरी विच इज मूविंग अराउंड. अरे मानिक प्रभु के दरबार में भी उनके हिस्ट्री में लिखा हुआ है, ऐसा सुना. आई हैव नॉट रीड इट पर्सनली बट इट इज देयर. ये बाबा के दरबार में वो गए थे. दैट टाइम ही वेंट टू अक्कलकोट महाराज. दिस वन आल्सो, बिकॉज अक्कलकोट स्वामी महाराज went into 1874. So 1858 to 1874, Baba was moving around. Now again, you will come into controversy. 1858 से तो बाबा 60 years उधर ही थे. मेरा जो इन्वेंशन है, मेरा संशोधन है, मेरा राइटिंग ये बोलता है बाबा 1858 में आए ही नहीं उधर. Or later. That is a matter of discussion that we'll discuss afterwards. Om Sai Ram. Anything else, Jayashree?
Yeah, anybody else wants to comment or ask any questions? Please unmute yourselves and ask.
Naga, are you there? Nagaraj?
Sai Ram, Power Kaka, I am there.
Who is online?
Nagaraj, I am there.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
But going on. Tell me. Anything else?
Yeah, you told about this Manik Prabhu just now. This new for me.
I'm not able to hear you, Nagaraj.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, you told about this Manik Prabhu Baba was there in Manik Prabhu.
Yeah.
It's new for me. So
Yeah.
very interested to know more about that. Maybe next session or some other session we can discuss. Not related to Stavan Mandali.
I could not hear you properly. We'll talk in this one personally. I'll just talk to you.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody else? Shall we conclude today's session?
Yes, Pawar Kaka. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay. Sai Ram. Om Sai Ram. Meet on next Sunday.
Om Sai Ram.